Time for an upgrade. Sorry, crib, you're out of here. Much better. Let me show you how I built this DIY toddler bed using heart tools. The first step is to build the base of the bed. The base and middle supports are going to be 3 2x3s cut at 72 inches. You're also going to cut 2 2x4s at 39 inches. This is going to be the header and the footer. Once all your pieces are cut, take your base and middle supports, the 2x3s, and drill pocket holes at each end of the board. Once all the pieces are cut, we're going to start attaching the base. You're going to attach them using wood glue and pocket screws, keeping your long sides at the side and then attaching them to the inside of your header and footer board. Once your two sides are attached, attach your middle board and that'll complete the base. Moving on to the frame. Cut 4 2x4s at 36 inches. You're going to add a 45-degree bevel to one side of each post. You're going to also drill one pocket hole on the opposite side of that bevel. Then you're going to cut 2 outer sides out of 2x4s at 75 inches. Drill pocket holes at each end of that board. Build 2 side units, attaching 2 of the 36-inch boards to one of the long outside boards. Next, you're going to attach your posts to the base. Clamp them onto the base and then use screws drilling from the inside of the bed to the outside of the posts. Now it's time to cut and attach the slats. Each slat is going to be 39 inches and you're going to want to cut about 14 out of 1x4 boards. Space them out evenly alongside the bed and then use screws to drill into your 3 supports. Now we're going to work on our roof pieces. You're going to have 2 short pieces made out of 2x4s at 29 3/4 inches and 2 long pieces made out of 2x4s at 31 1/4 inch. Each piece is going to have a bevel at one side that's going to be cut at 45 degrees. You're going to attach your short piece to the inside of your long piece. Once you have your roof parts made, attach them to the bed frame. Make sure that the bevels are level. Now it's time to attach the 2 roof side pieces. They are going to be made out of 2x3s at 68 inches. Once your 2 side roof pieces are cut and attached using pocket screws, you're going to cut a 2x2 at 68 inches and attach it the same way. So far, so good. Now fill in all of your holes with your plastic wood. Then, once it dries, use a 120 grit sandpaper to sand it down, followed by a 220 grit sandpaper to make sure that the surface is nice and smooth. Because I had to do my sanding inside, this is where my heart shop vac came in handy. I had no dust to clean up. I stained the entire bed using Minwax's natural stain. I love the color. Then, because I know my toddler, I added some brackets to the corners, just for a little extra security. Once the bed was in place, I used 3.5 yards of burnt orange fabric to make my own curtain. I simply sealed the seams and then used my brand new heart crown stapler to attach to the bed frame. Y'all, this bed turned out even better than I could have imagined, and it only took 1 day to complete, a few of my favorite heart tools, and one 20-volt battery. It's definitely the bed that dreams are made of.